Fishermen catch fish and other aquatic animals using various methods such as nets and lines, either independently or in commercial operations. Their work demands expertise in navigation, resource management, and business operations while navigating unpredictable waters, markets, and regulations. Accurate bookkeeping is crucial for balancing sustainability and profitability in this vital industry. Let's explore the importance of bookkeeping and accounting for fishermen. Depreciation of equipment, management of fishing licenses and permits, risk management and insurance, price management and market volatility, tracking income from sales, evaluating cost efficiency. To help fishermen manage their finances and maximize profits while minimizing tax obligations, Meru Accounting guides them through tax deductions, income tracking, and spending management. Let's explore the core aspects of bookkeeping and accounting for fishermen. Documentation and assessment of catch, fish market transactions and sales, costs of fuel and equipment maintenance, licensing costs and docking fees. Here are some services offered by Meru Accounting for fishermen. Compensation for crew and payroll, adherence to regulations regarding capacity, seasonal variability in income, fishing expense tax deductions, fishing operations reports. By outsourcing your bookkeeping to Meru Accounting, you can concentrate on your fishing operations, managing resources, and adapting to market changes. Contact us today to ensure your financial records are accurate and up to date, which is crucial for making well-informed decisions in the fishing industry.